Yo guys, I hope everyone is doing great. So today I'm going to talk about my experience on my job life. So this video actually kind of really special to the people in LinkedIn. So to the people I'm connected to, or I may connect in the future, or the video goes spontaneously to you according to your search bar or the interest you have. So I'm in my early 20s and I have been working for 5 years now. I was like 17 years old when I first stepped in my job life, and still I'm working in the same company. I got promotions and that's great. So working for 5 years already have given me the glimpse of job life, the professional life you're going to have. So if you are a professional man, like the people like us who graduate and or post-graduation, after post-graduation we go to job market and get ourselves in a job and then do the work for rest of our life. And at that time we kind of face things that we haven't faced in our educational life. So we feel bad, we feel great, ups and down. Like you kind of feel that I didn't know it would happen. So now I'm still have yet to finish my graduation, but this is now currently I'm giving my final year exam, or I have already given the final year exam, but there are some improvement exam that I'm going through. So within the half of this 2025 I'm going to graduate if I don't fail. I hope I don't fail. So when I graduate, or everyone graduates, they go to pursue their maybe post-graduation, or some people go to job directly. So they might feel that they think that what could be the job life, like how would it look like to them, or is it going to be great, utopia, or it going to be hell. I think I have quite of experiences now. I know what does it look like. I'm going to give you like advantages, disadvantages, like the benefits and disadvantages you can make out of it from the job life. I'm going to have my preferences, not like I'm not going to say rhetoric way that this is the benefit, this is the benefit, this is disadvantages. No, I think I'm going to share my real experience, that I feel this is the positive side of doing a job, being a professional guy, or this is the negative side. So here I start with the benefits you get. And for me, first benefit that I have got from my office, from my job life, from my professional life is it shapes you to another person, and it does it in a positive way. Well, when I first entered here, I was like 17-year-old. Just 1 month younger than being 18 years old. So I didn't have any kind of experiences of doing any job, not any job. I was a student and playing cricket for all day. Like if you allow me to play cricket 24 hours 7, then I would play with, like I have played like that. So I was like that guy, or watching Bollywood movies, and suddenly to come in a job life, standing for 8 and 9 hours and talking to customers that I felt they're rich in my life. So it was unreal and really stranger to me, and I had to deal with it. I had difficult times at that phase in my life, but I thought that let's do it for a while, So, and now whatever I have, the way I talk, the way I look like, the things I wear, and all the financial support and everything, like in general, everything literally I have. So I get it from my job. So it shaped me to another person, but in a positive way. So it shaped me. This is the first point I want to make out. And second one is, it brings you in a disciplined life. When I was playing cricket and going to school and college, I didn't have that much discipline in my life, because I had no boundaries. I had no things that I must do. I didn't. No one forced me to do something. But when you are in a job, if you don't want to do the job, that's another thing. But if you are doing it, You need money, so you have to do it. And when you do the work, and you have to abide by the rules. You cannot just, your office starts from 10 a.m. and you come 12 a.m. No, it doesn't work like that. They will fire you. You don't need the work, don't need the job. That's your problem. Doesn't concern them. They will kick you out. But if you want to do it, so you have to come at 10 a.m. And leave the place at another certain amount of time, like 8 p.m., 10 p.m., 12 hours, 10 hours a day. Excuse me. So you cannot, break the rules. It's not one day you feel that you don't want to go. You cannot do it. If you are sick, that's another thing. You can get the sick leave, but it also have so many. It has also do something other things like take permission, get the application, and all other things. It's not so easy, so it takes you in a disciplined time. So I like it actually, because when I have off days, like for in my holidays is Eid festival and other things, so I feel bored that I don't have to go to job, because I don't know what to do, because all day using mobile and other things, no discipline, no rules. But when I have job, I know I have to go there and work and other things I do. So, and third is, and this is the most important thing for the rest of the world and for me too, is money. It gives you a financial stability, financial freedom. So you have a freedom. You can choose what you want to do, want to buy. So I think in your childhood, the things you dreamed of buying, like I want to do this, I want to buy home, I want to eat these things, like in your childhood, but you don't have that money. But now you have money, you can decide what you want. And to get more money, you can work more, like work smarter, so that they give you bonus and all, commission, So financial stability, this is the most important thing. And the fourth one is like you can create a network in life to grow up. You need network, so in job you can create network. The company you were working itself a network, and also you are dealing with the customers, your boss, your colleagues and other things. So it creates a network, so you grow your networks. Suddenly one day you leave your job, you get another job from another person that you know from your office or through your office somehow. So it gives you a network. And also it doesn't mean that you just leave the job and you get another job. No, it's not necessary. The network is also necessary just because you lead a good life, for your experience. So this is important. And also it also increases your so many skills, like the company you are working in. So you must work somewhere, so that place must be skilled in some place. Like if you are working in a sales company, so you must be having good sales experience. You're working in a garage, so you have something great knowledge about garage. So it increases the skill level, and also the other skills related to that. So for skill wise, it's also important. So I think I would stop here about saying the positive things, because there are so many lists. Just in few minutes I cannot mention because I haven't thought it. I'm just making the video randomly. And the disadvantages or the things we don't like is also the discipline. Ironically, because sometimes you feel, oh, it's so boring because I have to go every day. I cannot join my friend's birthday, her birthday, their party, their match and all. I cannot do that because I have boundaries, I have discipline to maintain and all. Sometimes it could feel bad. And then also the work pressure, second point, the work pressure you get. So you have to, it is too much headache, the target you are not fulfilling, the comment you are not listening to, and other things. Third thing is the conflict with the colleagues and the people you go around, so you mess with them. So this is another problem. And fourth problem is your reputation, the amount of respect you should get, you are not getting. So this is also could be a problem for you. And also the demands, when the demands not meet your expectations, then the demands, when whatever you are getting not meeting your expectation, you feel bad. And there are also ups and downs with the performance you have, and of course the conflict. So, and what the worst thing I felt, by the way, this is the discipline, and sometimes conflict with colleagues, and sometimes, yeah, the pressure from the boss. It's a more irritating thing, and yeah, that's it. Just so this is the thing that I've worked. And do I suggest people? And also that when you work in a company, you are a worker for all your life. So do I recommend the job? Yes, I do recommend, because it creates a life, it creates another platform, it gives you financial stability, and makes another shape of your version. And also, it most importantly, it creates a discipline in your life. So that's why you should do a job. And also, you need money, and business is okay, but job is good because you can tell people, you have a network, you have colleagues. But in the future, I think I will not continue in job. If I have the ability, I think I'd like to work in online and business. And I like to do United Nation job. Like, I want to see in myself, I want to see myself in any kind of jobs in UN, any organization from UN, UNICEF, UNDP, importantly. So here are the things that I have said, and I felt, I don't know, it's so unfiltered, So keep watching, guy. Bye. And yeah, that's it. And by the way, my name is Abdul Naim, and I'm working in Nishiko, Bangladesh.